Within a minute I will show you how I create this animated design. After watching this you will easily make it for the practice purpose. So please stay and watch this video. First we need to create card. For this we will select rectangular. And then we will reduce the corner around 23. Now we need to add drop shadow. We will go in the effects section and there we will find the drop shadow. Now in the position we need to take Y section number 10 and then X section number 8, and we need to do the blur it number 10. Now our card looking very good. We will create it duplicate. Now we need to add photo in this card. We will select it, then go in the fill section, and here we have an option to select your photo from your system. After that we will select all card, make it layout after pressing Shift A. We will add padding 20 and 25. We need to adjust gap. That's it. After that we will clip content, then select the frame and close it. We will make duplicate of it like this. Now we will open the frame first. We will select this card. Firstly we need to reduce the gap, and some part of this card should show under the frame. After selecting both card, and we will reduce the size. And now with second frame we will select it and then go in the alignment section. We will take the center and then we will remove the clip content. Here we will select both card and reduce the size. Now we need to reduce the gap and we will bring both card under the frame like this, and then again we will make clip content. We will do same with the frame number 3. First we will alignment it and then we will set the gap. After selecting this card and quick duration 800 millisecond. We will do the same with the second frame. We will make the connection with third frame. After delay, smart, animate, quick, 800 millisecond. And then we will select frame number 3 and make the connection with the first frame. And that's it. Our card is ready now for performing. Let me show you how our design looking